voila, it's the peel off gel, and it's suitable for all gel and dip powder manicures. So if you only want to use your manicure for one day, say, instead of taking your old manicure off and going through all the steps, you would, after you take your stuff off, you would then prep the nail as normal, but you would then put this base gel on, cure it, and then dip in the powder, and then a day or two later, depending if you want to wear it for a week, you do maybe one coat, but if you only want to wear it for a day or two, you do 2 coats of this, I believe. And then you can just soak your nails off. And it's that easy. So, yeah, or peel off. So, I will definitely be trying this out in my next video. So stay tuned for that. And please give this a thumbs up. It's not hard. You push that little button down there that says thumbs up. See? Thumb up. Okay, girls, ladies, men, kids, nail crazies. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.